You're looking for the perfect bookshelf speakers, and you've probably seen the Edifier R1700BT praised everywhere. But here's what surprised me after testing them for weeks. These speakers have some glaring problems you won't hear in most reviews. Therefore, before you spend $219.99, you need to know the full story. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's be honest, that 4.6-star Amazon rating is impressive. It screams quality, but ratings can be misleading. Therefore, we're going deep today. We'll celebrate their strengths, but then expose the critical flaws that could ruin your experience. This is the honest review they don't want you to see. First, the good stuff. The classic wood finish is genuinely beautiful. That high-quality MDF with walnut vinyl looks premium. It complements any room, from a sleek office to a cozy living room. No joke, they look so good you might forgive some sonic sins. They're like the attractive friend who's a bit of a mess inside. Connection options are a strong point. Bluetooth is convenient for quick pairing with your phone or tablet, and the dual AUX inputs are a smart feature. You can connect two devices at once, like a computer and a turntable, without constant plug swapping. The included remote control is also handy for switching sources and adjusting volume from your couch. So far, so good, right? But here's where the first problem creeps in: that Bluetooth connection. It's billed as a true wireless experience. However, in real-world use, I experienced noticeable latency and occasional dropout. Watching a video, the audio lag was frustrating. Moving around the room with my phone, the signal stuttered. It's not the seamless, high-quality wireless experience you might expect for this price. Therefore, if Bluetooth is your primary use, be wary. Now, let's talk about sound, the core of any speaker. The initial impression is positive. They're powered speakers, so setup is easy. They deliver decent clarity at mid-range volumes, but crank them up or play complex music, and the problems reveal themselves. The bass, while present, can feel bloated and lack definition. It's like a bass singer who ate too much before the performance. It's there, but it's not clear. Therefore, for bass-heavy electronic or hip-hop, they can sound muddy. The higher frequencies also have an issue. They can become harsh or sibilant when pushed. Certain vocals and instrumentals get a sharp, unpleasant edge. It's not the smooth, detailed treble you hope for. Imagine a beautiful painting with a few overly bright, jarring strokes. That's the sonic picture here. But wait, there's another layer. The remote control. It's a nice idea. However, the build quality feels cheap. The buttons are mushy and the range is limited. It's the kind of remote you'll lose in a couch cushion and not bother searching for. Therefore, the convenience factor is downgraded. Let's rehook you for a second. Are these speakers total failures? No, but are they the flawless gems most reviews suggest? Absolutely not. Therefore, you need to weigh these problems against your needs. Consider the AUX input convenience again. It's a legitimately great feature. But remember, the sound quality through those AUX inputs is still governed by the speaker's inherent limitations. A better source won't fix the harsh treble or bloated bass. It's like putting premium fuel in a car with a faulty engine. The fuel is better, but the core issues remain. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. At $219.99, these sit in a competitive bracket. You're entering the territory of other renowned bookshelf brands. Therefore, the competition is fierce. Compared to some alternatives, the Edifier R1700BT offer more features like dual AUX and a remote, but they often sacrifice the pure, balanced sound quality those competitors deliver. It's a trade-off. Do you want convenience and looks or purer audio performance? Your answer decides your purchase. Here's a joke to lighten the mood. These speakers are like a multi-tool. They try to do everything: Bluetooth, dual AUX, remote control. But sometimes you just need a really good, sharp knife. And that's the sound. It's not the sharp, precise tool you need for critical listening. Let's dive into another specific scenario: podcasts, and casual videos. For this, they're mostly fine. The clarity is sufficient. But if you're a music lover, an audiophile, or a content creator needing accurate sound, the flaws become distractions. Therefore, define your primary use. Is it background listening or focused, analytical listening? This decision is crucial. We're nearing the resolution. So what's the final verdict? The Edifier R1700BTs are a mixed bag. They are stylish, feature-rich, and easy to use. For a casual user in a stylish apartment, they might be acceptable. But for anyone prioritizing sound quality above all, they are a risky buy. The Bluetooth issues, the bass and treble imperfections, and the flimsy remote add up. Therefore, I cannot give them a blanket recommendation. They are not the universal best buy many claim. Before you click purchase, consider if you'll tolerate these problems. Would you buy a beautiful car with a shaky transmission? Probably not. Apply the same logic here. One final joke. Reviewing these speakers felt like being a food critic at a restaurant with amazing decor but inconsistent dishes. You love the ambience, but you're not sure you'd come back for the food. And the audio is the meal here. It's the core experience. So, the title stands. Don't buy the Edifier R1700BTs blindly. See them for what they are. A decent, feature-packed speaker with notable audio compromises. If your budget is strict and features are key, they're an option. But if sound purity is your goal, look elsewhere. Therefore, your search might need to continue. Hopefully, this honest review saved you from a disappointing purchase. For the best current price on Amazon, if you still decide they fit your needs, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.